This plant I observed for like some time now. It was one of the new things that I noticed, and like all these special category plants, it does give out some kind of signal when you look at them. And then after these rains are now, last stage is going on, and then today I was pleasantly surprised to see such a glorious blooms, all beautiful bunches of these tiny flowers, and mildly fragrant also. I reduce the light sometimes little bit so that can get a good view of these, particularly these white flowers. They are highlighted when the light is a bit less. But this is something extraordinarily beautiful, and I don't think it may not be an exotic item. In all probability, it's one of our native flowering plant only. Now the details are. So apparently, from the appearance, it looks like it's a very hardy item. It's so much competition from numerous species. It has all kind of creepers and all are growing, but it has managed to peep out and successfully flower also. So this name of the species and all I'll write on top, and this one is so nice. I think it deserves a couple of more videos in due course.